Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have built Arduino projects but never connected them to the cloud, you are missing on one of the most important skills of IoT. In next few minutes, I'll show you how exactly you can send the live sensor data from Arduino or ESP32 boards to the cloud. It's absolutely free, there are no complicated steps, no coding, and no headache. Let's get straight away started with the video.
So the first thing is open your Chrome browser and search for ThingsBoard and log in. Or you can sign up with email ID of your account, and here I have already signed in and logged in. So this is how the homepage looks like of ThingsBoard. Here you will have to go to the entities and you have to click on the devices. Here we are going to create our first device. So we'll click on the add device and let's add the device. We will name it as ESP32, S3 and T. So this is the test thing and let's add the device. So this is the only thing we have to do. Once your device is created, let's close this and get the access token. So to get the access token, we'll have to click on the device connected, and here you can see manage credentials. So click on the manage credentials and here you will find the access token. Just copy this because we will need it again to put it in our Arduino to get connected with the ThingsBoard. Now let's open our Arduino IDE. So here I will paste the code. This code will be provided in the link below. We'll have to put the SSID and password with the access token here in the required section. So once done that, just click on tools and check the settings. Okay, so once you click on the tool, you will find here the board should be ESP32 dev model or S3 model. You have to change it accordingly, whatever model you're using, and the baud rate. And also the one more important thing is here you can see the USB CDC boot. It should be enabled. Okay, so once that is done, you will have to click on upload and click on serial monitor. You can see the data is being sent. So to receive the data in the dashboard, here we'll have to create our dashboard for this device. So what we will do is click on dashboard and create a new dashboard. Now here we will add a title as ESP32 S3T because we are going to get whatever data coming from Arduino to this dashboard. So once this is done, let's add a widget. So for this widget, since I'm getting a random temperature data, I'll click on this widget and get the temperature. So once you click on here, and we'll have to select the device. Select the device whatever we had created earlier, and here I'm selecting my device and let's add it now. So once it is added, you start receiving the temperature data. You can see the data is being sent from the Arduino ESP32 and this data is being received on the ThingsBoard. This is the easiest way you can do. You can download the ThingsBoard to my given description link, that is an affiliate link with no extra charge. It will help me. That's it. If you like this video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.